Now bachcho we will solve page 139 and we will learn to read the time in term of half past, quarter past and quarter to. First of all we will talk about half past. Bachcho, when there is half past, big hand is always on 6. Big hand is always on 6 and small hand is between two numbers. It means 6 means big hand shows the minutes. When there is a big hand on 6, it means 30 minutes. 30 minutes are passed away, यानी कि half an hour गुजर गया है and half an hour is left. So small hand is between two numbers. Like this, if there is a big hand on 6 and small hand is between 4 and 5, the time is half past 4, यानी कि 4 जो 4 आर स्टार्ट हुआ था वो आधा गुजर गया है, हाफ गुजर गया है. तो सो अगेन when there is half past, big hand is always on 6 and small hand is between two numbers. Now next term is quarter past. When we talk about quarter past, big hand is always on 3 and small hand is a little bit away from that number which we are talking about. Suppose quarter past 4, the number is 4, small hand is a little bit away from 4 and big hand is always on 3. It means 3 means 15 minutes. Quarter shows 15 minutes. Quarter shows 15 minutes. Now we can read the time. Quarter past 4. Quarter past 4. इसका मतलब है कि 4:15 गुजर गए हैं, यानी कि 4:15 हो गए हैं. And 15 minutes shows a quarter and there are 4 quarters in 16 minutes. One quarter, second quarter, थर्ड क्वार्टर एंड फोर्थ क्वार्टर. लेकिन आपके लिए इतना जानना ज़रूरी नहीं है, आपने सिर्फ क्वार्टर मीन्स 15 मिनट्स. व्हेन देर इज़ बिग हैंड इज़ ऑन 3, we use a term quarter past and small hand is a little bit away from that number. And third term is quarter to. Quarter mean, as I told you, quarter mean 15, 2 mean left. तो इसका मतलब है कि 15 minutes are left to complete concerned hour. Suppose here is quarter to 5. When we talk about quarter to, big hand is always on 9 and small hand is closer to that number which is going to complete 1 hour and number is 5. It means quarter to 5. क्वार्टर टू मीन्स 15 मिनट रहते हैं 5 का जो आर्ट चल रहा है इसको कंप्लीट होने में. तो सो वी यूज़ द quarter to term when there 15 minutes are left. Now we will solve exercise 4. Find out what time it is. First of all, you look where is the big hand. In this clock, big hand is at 9 or on 9. So when there is big hand is on 9, always use quarter to. Quarter to and quarter to and which closer to 3. Quarter to 3 and small hand is closer to 3 and time is quarter to 3. Next clock. First of all, as I told you, look at the big hand. Big hand is on 6. When big hand is on 6, always use half past. And number is between 6 to, small hand is between 6 to 7. Half past 6. Next, Look at this clock. Where is the big hand? Big hand is on 3. When big hand is on 3, always use a term quarter past. And where is the small hand? A little bit away from 6. Quarter past 6. Now students, you can solve the remaining question of page 136, 137 and 139 on book. Allah Hafiz.